Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to fix msvcp140.dll is missing or not found errors. Let's start. Errors related to msvcp140.dll can arise for a few different reasons. For instance, a faulty application. msvcp140.dll has been deleted or misplaced, corrupted by malicious software present on your PC, or a damaged Windows registry. Good news is, we can fix this problem using two easy methods. Method 1. Go to https://www.dll-files.com. Search msvcp140.dll. There are lots of versions of msvcp140.dll. Go for above versions which are most updated. There are two types of files, 32 and 64. First, you need to check which version of Windows you're using. Go to this PC. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. Check system type. Is it 32 or 64? Mine shows 64-bit operating system. For 32-bit operating system you just need 32-bit version of msvcp140.dll. For 64-bit operating system you need both 32 and 64 versions of msvcp140.dll. For 32-bit operating system download 32-bit version of msvcp140.dll. Open the zip file and copy msvcp140.dll. Go to Windows System 32 folder and paste it. Restart your computer, your problem should finally resolved. For 64-bit operating system download both versions of msvcp140.dll. Open the zip file and copy 64-bit version of msvcp140.dll. Go to Windows System 32 folder and paste it. Open the zip file and copy 32-bit version of msvcp140.dll. Go to Windows Size WOW64 folder and paste it. Remember paste 64-bit version in System 32 and 32-bit version in size WOW64. Restart your computer, your problem should finally resolved. Method 2. Go to https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/help/2977003/the-latest-supported-visual-c-downloads. Download according to your system type. For 32, download x86 VC Redist x86 executable file. For 64, download x64 VC Redist x64 executable file. Install. Restart your computer. After restart, msvcp140.dll missing error should be fixed in your system. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.